We can use the modal verb could to refer to some ability, some request, some suggestion, some permission, some possibility, and for some conditional action. It is basically the past tense form of can, but we can use could for all these just mentioned purposes. Okay, then let's try to understand with examples, okay? Could can be used to express ability, that is our capacity, having knowledge, talent and skill to do a particular work. He could play basketball when he was a kid. So when he was a kid, he had the ability to play basketball. Another example, she could memorize her lessons easily when she was young. The modal verb could can also be used to express some request. Request refers to the action of asking someone to do something for us or to help us. Examples: could I borrow your book, please? Could you please lend me your pen? Next use of could is to express some suggestion. Now, by suggestion we mean the action of giving a better idea in relation to a particular work. For example, we could meet the teacher and ask him about the matter. Now, this sentence talks about a particular matter about which the speaker and some other person is concerned. So, the speaker is suggesting a better idea like meeting the teacher and ask him about that particular matter. Okay, another example, they could meet somewhere else. Again, this is a better idea according to the speaker, who says that they could meet somewhere else, not this place or that place. Next use of could is permission. Permission refers to the action which allows a person to do a particular work. We can also say that permission is approval. For examples, could I ask you a question? Could I go with you to the party? Could we play football now? The modal verb could can also be used to express some possibility. By possibility, we mean the chance that something may happen. Examples, you could have talked first. The kitten could have got lost. You could have told me about your problem. All these three sentences represent different kinds of possibilities, each related to a particular action. Next, we have the conditional action, that is, an action which depends on the happening of another action. Such actions are also expressed with the modal verb could. For example, if the rain stopped, we could go for a walk. If he had a bicycle, he could reach school sooner. In the first sentence, going for a walk is dependent on the stopping of rain. And in the second sentence, reaching school sooner depends on the condition if he had a bicycle. So this was all about use of could in spoken English sentence.